It's probably very, 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 very dark to see me, but my new 1-up box came in today. Oh yeah, so we are gonna cut this bad boy open and see what is in here. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I always wanted one of these. I actually saw this at Spirit one time, and I was like, oh my god, I need that in my life. I grew me a mustache. Hey, Ma! Ma! Grew me a mustache. It's awesome. Okay, so shirt. I got me some new shoelaces. It was Adventure 2. So it wasn't just the first adventure, it was the second one. Let's see. The flip and flip is this flip. Yeah, that's what I totally meant to say. Oh my god, I got me a pair of socks. Mom! I got me some socks. It's like Christmas. It looks like we got me a keychain of Star Wars. Of course. Normal crap. Normal crappy piece of crap. And here's my Star Wars keychain. Pretty nice and fabulous. Alrighty, let's take a look at this shirt. Oh my goodness! This thing was pretty much based all around Mario. I feel like it was more based around Mario. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, look how swagalicious I am. Bruh. Goodbye. You guys know the drill, but you don't have to do it still. Alright. Bye-bye.